Hello students, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn a very easy method to convert decimals into fractions. Let's start. To convert 0.5 into the fraction, first we have to remove the decimal point. If we remove the decimal point, we get 5. We have to write the 5 on numerator. Then we always have to put 1 in the denominator. Afterwards, we have to count the number of digits in decimal part. In decimal part, there are only one place is there, 5. So, only 1 0 we have to add here. 5 by 10 is the fraction form. We have to simplify this fraction. 5 divided by 5, then 10 divided by 5. If we simplify, we get 1 by 2. It is the simplest fraction for this decimal. 0.07. To convert 0.07 into fraction, first we have to remove the decimal point. If we remove the decimal point, we will get 7 in the numerator. Then we have to write 1 as a denominator. Afterwards, we have to count the number of digits in decimal part. There are 2 digits are there in decimal part. So we have to add 2 zeros in denominator. 7 by 100 is the fraction for this decimal. We cannot simplify this fraction. It is the simplest form. So we have to leave this fraction. 1.03. Here whole part and then decimal parts are there. Whole part, in whole part number 1 is there. In decimal part 03 is there. For this we have to write the whole part here. Then we have to remove the decimal point. If we remove, in decimal part 3 is there. So we should write 3 here. Divided by, in denominator always we have to put 1. After that we have to count the number of digits in decimal part. There are 2 digits are there in decimal part. So we have to add 2 zeros. So the fraction for this decimal is 1 and 3 by 100. We cannot simplify this fraction anymore. Next question, 5.25. We have to convert this 5.25 into the fraction. For that, 5 is in whole part. We have to write the 5 here. In decimal part, 25 is there. We have to remove the decimal point and write the 25 in numerator. Write 1 as a denominator. Now we have to count the number of digits in the decimal part. There are 2 digits are there in decimal part. So we have to add 2 zeros. So 5 and 25 by 100. Now we can simplify this fraction. 25 divided by 25, then 100 divided by 25. Simplify this fraction. We get 5 and 1 by 4. 125 is 25, 425 is 100. So 5 and 1 by 4. That's the simplest form for this decimal. The next decimal is 6.009. We have to convert this decimal number into the fraction. In whole part, 6 is there. 6 and 9 divided by denominator, we have to put 1. Then we have to count the number of digits in decimal part. There are 3 digits are there. So we have to add 3 zeros. 6 and 9 by 1000. We cannot simplify this fraction. That's the simplest form. So the fraction for 6.009 is 6 and 9 by 1000. My dear students, in today's video, you all have learned how to convert the decimal into fraction. If this video is useful to you, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much all. Bye-bye.